జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. She is feeling that being separated from Rama, I do not want this kind of life. But it looks like my heart is like a stone, because even in this severe grief, I am still alive. I should not be alive being away from Rama. I should not be alive even for a moment. But I am still alive means my heart is like a stone. Bhartaram sagarantaya vasudhaya priyam vadam. The one who is the master of this entire earth is my Ramachandra. I am separated from such great Ramachandra. Now this life is mere useless. I do not want to be alive anymore. Oh my dear demons, bhidyatam, peel me out. Bhakshyatam, eat me away. Charanena pisavyena naspruseyam nisacharam. Oh my dear demons, but I would not do what you are asking me to do. I would not touch Ravana even with my left leg. Then there is no question of accepting Ravana at all. You should understand that. Like that, Sita Devi saying to demons and declaring her strong decision. Sitamma saying to those demons, saying that Chinna, Bhinna, Vibhakta va, Deepte va, Agnau Pradipita. If you want to peel out me, you can go ahead and peel out me. If you want to break me into pieces, cut me into pieces and pieces, you can go ahead. If you want to put me in the flame and burn me in the fire, yes, you can go ahead, but I would never listen to your words. Ravanam na upatishteyam. I would never accept Ravana. Oh my dear demons, do you know about Rama? My Rama has such a great quality to see only good qualities. Even in Kaikeyi, he would see only good qualities. Such great man is my Sri Ramachandra Swami. Whoever does whatever the little help, Ramachandra Swami accepts it very happily and remembers that help forever. Such grateful man my Sri Ramachandra Swami is. Oh demons, whoever is in whatever the kind of trouble, the first one to worry about that is my Sri Ramachandra Swami. Such very compassionate my Ramachandra Swami is. But I don't know why he is not giving his darshanam to me. That is definitely my unfortune. Oh demons, Rakshasanam sahasrani janasthane chaturdesha yena ekena nirastani. In Janasthanam, my Ramachandra Swami just by himself alone could kill 14,000 Rakshasas. But such Ramachandra Swami, samam kim na abhipadyate, why he is not protecting me now? In Dandakaranyam, a great strong demon, Viradha, Sri Ramachandra Swami killed that Viradha. But same Ramachandra Swami, samam kim na abhipadyate, why he is not saving me? Oh demons, you may be thinking that because this Lanka is in the middle of ocean, nobody can come here. But it's not true. Natu Raghava Bananam Gati Rodhiha Vidyate. My Ramachandra Swami's arrows, the velocity of my Ramachandra Swami's arrows could never be resisted by anything in this entire universe. Now what to say about this Lanka? Oh demons, I am the wife of such great Sri Ramachandra Swami. Now Ravana abducted me. I don't know why Rama is not saving me yet. I think probably Rama doesn't know that I am here in Lanka. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.